Hi! In front of me is VIVO X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner and click on this plus icon. Over here, set up an hour and choose repeat. Now pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and clicking on OK. Then click on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, or click on this feature itself, manage it from here, or select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one for you, like blues. Now you need to go back, click on label and label your alarm however you wish to. Tap on OK and click on alarm sound. Now you can click on add new over here, pick melody from your smartphone, tap on it to set it up and go back, or you can pick one of those melodies and go back as well. When you're ready, save your alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by choosing this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it and tap on delete icon at the bottom. Then confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, just click on those three dots over here, select settings and manage all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!